RealtyNinja websites look great out of the box, but they look even better when they're customized with your logo, photos, content, and more. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you how we'll go from this website to something more like this without having to learn code or spend too much of your time. Once you've logged into your account, just click the Edit My Website section and you'll see a Manage bar at the top of your site. From here, you can just browse to any page on your website and click Edit this page. You'll notice the editable regions on your page will highlight in yellow. You can click into any one of these editable regions and add your content just like you would in an email or Word document. Once you're done, simply click Save this page and the edits will be applied to your live website. Let's add some of the basics such as your contact details, social media links, brokerage logos, and so on. Head over to Settings and Site Contact Info. Add your address, city, postal code, email, phone numbers, and you can also upload a contact image, such as your brokerage logo. Once that's done, head over to social media settings and just take a few seconds to add in links to your social media accounts. The header is starting to look pretty good with your contact info and basic social media links. Now let's go ahead and clear this and add your actual logo. Great, that looks good. If I save the page, you'll notice that the logo is here on the left, but if we want it to look more like this example, we're going to get this stuff all centered. So we can do that with just a couple clicks. Head over to Settings, Theme, and right here in your header layout options, I'll just choose Centered. Next, I'm going to go ahead and replace this big banner photo that comes with the home page. To do that, I'll click this Page Layout and Widgets button, and I'll see a window that shows me a list of all the available widgets that I can use on this page. This right pane over here shows me the widgets that are already been inserted on this page. In this case, I want to edit the tall header, so I'll go ahead and click the Widget Options icon. You'll notice that it already has a background photo, but I'm going to go ahead and choose a new one from my computer. I'm also going to set a headline and some text for this slide. Now let's add a second slide as well while we're in here. I'm just going to go ahead and set some options as well. Once I'm done, I click Apply Changes and Save, and you'll notice that right away I have a nice big header on my homepage. On that demo that we wanted to make our site look like, we also have this effect which is called parallax. It kind of freezes the background photo as you scroll. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up here. So I'll click Page Layout and Widgets again, Widget Options on the home page, and simply click Parallax Effect on the background image. Once I hit Apply and Save Changes, the page will reload and you'll notice that that effect has taken place. Now, let's say I want to replace this generic welcome message with a little something more personal. I'll click the Page Layout and Widgets options, and I know that this is the one column content area that's right under the header. So I'm actually going to go ahead and delete that one and drag in a two column content area in its place. I'll click Save Changes and the page will reload and I'll notice that I now have a new two column editable region. I'll click into the first one and add some text and just spend a couple seconds formatting it. On this right side, I'm going to insert a headshot photo from my computer. I'll just browse, choose the photo, hit upload, and click Insert. When I'm done with that, I just click Save this page and those changes are live. And to make it look even better, I'm going to add a light gray background color to this section. Just click right here on the color chooser, and I'm going to choose a nice light gray. Hit Apply, Save, and once the page reloads, we can see how that's taken effect. The last thing we'll do in this demo is replace the recent blog entries and contact forms on this homepage. So click Page Layout and Widgets, find the ones you want to get rid of, and simply click Delete. And then find the new widget that you want to add, in this case, the testimonials, drag it to where you want it to appear, click Save, and you'll notice that it's now there on your home page. Now that we know it's on the page, let's go ahead and add some testimonials to it and make it look much nicer. I'll go back here, find that widget, and edit some of its options. Let's say I've added 2 testimonials there, apply those changes, and let's see how that looks. Cool, it already looks pretty good. We can go even more customized with it with a background photo that I'll upload from my computer. Because the photo is using a darker background, I've turned on invert text colors on this widget. That will make this text white so it looks nice against that darker background. And just like that, within a few minutes, you've gone from a fairly standard design to something that's much more unique and professional. You have full control over the pages on your website, their widgets, and your content. You can easily make changes like the ones you've seen in this basic demo without having to be a techie. And of course, absolutely everything you do is automatically mobile responsive and scales to fit the screen that the person browsing your website is using. If you would rather hire a professional to make your design even more amazing, we have semi-custom and fully custom design services available. These are just some of the semi-custom designs that our design ninjas have put together.